Shot photos with a Panasonic Lumix camera in RAW mode and got RW2 files. These contain unprocessed sensor data with maximum editing flexibility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and edit these Panasonic RAW image files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling RW2 files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. An RW2 file is a raw image format created by Panasonic digital cameras, such as those in the Lumix series. It contains uncompressed, unprocessed sensor data, providing photographers with maximum flexibility during post-processing. Users search for this to edit exposure, white balance, and color without quality loss. The RW2 format is a proprietary binary file based on the TIFF standard, similar to other camera RAW formats. It stores raw Bayer filter sensor data, camera settings metadata, EXIF, and often a small JPEG preview. This design preserves the original sensor information for professional-grade editing and archival purposes. The application responsible for generating the RW2 file is typically Adobe Photoshop by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows cannot render all raw attributes, so full viewing and editing rely on dedicated imaging apps. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your RW2 file and choose Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. When your RW2 file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening in Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom Classic and Lightroom CC fully support Panasonic RW2 files. Import RW2 files using the library module's import function, and Lightroom processes the raw data with non-destructive editing. Apply exposure, white balance, color, and tone adjustments, then export to JPEG, TIFF, or other formats. Next, editing in Capture One. Capture One Pro provides excellent RW2 file support with Panasonic-specific color profiles. Open RW2 files directly in Capture One and use its advanced color tools, tethering features, and layer-based adjustments. Many photographers prefer Capture One's color rendering for Panasonic Lumix camera files. Finally, free RAW processing. Use free alternatives like RAW Therapy or Darktable for processing RW2 files. Both applications provide professional RAW conversion with extensive controls for demosayasing, color management, noise reduction, and tone mapping. Export processed images to standard formats for sharing or further editing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.